So in the string we have Delhi, Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai, West Bengal, Meerut, and India. Okay, so now I'm checking if the address is ending with India. Okay, so yes, is it ending? Is it ending? So ends with is a string method which will have input as a string value will be the input for this ends with method, which can be used only with string variables. Okay, so address dot ends with you have to memorize as it is, as Java is case sensitive, you have to remember as it is. Okay, so ends with India. Yes, right. This condition true? Is address ending with India? Yes. So and then so as that is true, this part of the string is going to execute. So if address contains Meerut, so I am removing Meerut. We'll add it later. Okay. So if it is having Meerut, then it is going to execute this block. Okay, which is having the statement to print your city is Meerut. Or else, if it is having Noida, if the address is contained, dot contains is also a method which will take input as a string value. Okay. So when you want to specify something, a little part of the string, not the complete string, but a part of a string, then you can use this method dot contains. Okay. Dot ends with means the last string, last word inside the string. Okay. So, and then if it is Noida, it will print your city is Noida. And then this is also not true. So it will come to else system dot out dot println. Address is a string again variable. So we are splitting the string. We are splitting the string based upon how are we splitting the string? We are separating the string into different parts based upon what? This character. What is this? Comma separated. Okay. And we are also saying we want the first value. Okay, when we come to the arrays and strings, then you'll understand much better. But for now, 0 means 1. So it's like Delhi is 0, Hyderabad 1, Chennai 2, Mumbai 3. This is 4, this is 5. Okay, fifth part of the string. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the string address. Okay, so if it is split, this string address, if it is split, how many parts it is? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, count is like that. Okay, inside brackets 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally 6 parts, right? And the index will start from 0. Okay, so 0 means first word, which is Delhi. Okay, so and then if any of them, if it is not ending with India, then it will not get inside of this if loop on. So these statements won't execute. Then what will happen? It is going to print you're not living in India. For example, here I am living USA. Then in this case, when I try to execute my program, then it is saying you're not living in India because initially the condition, initially only if condition has failed, wherein it checks that whether the string address, okay, this address, is it ending with India? No. So this block is not going to be checked. It will directly come to the else statement, wherein it is going to give you this block of statement executed. You're not living in India. So what if I remove US? Okay. What is going to be printed? First, it will check ends with India, true, right? This is true, right? The statement address is ending with India, so true. And then Meerut, is it having Meerut here? No. This condition is false. This block will not execute now. And again, it will go to else if. If is false, so it is going to else condition wherein it is checking is it containing Noida? No. Again, this is also false. Now What is left? The else block. Else block, what is it saying? Split the address into different parts based upon the separator, comma, and take the first part of the string to print. Fine. Let's see what is going to print. What will print? What is the first part? Delhi, right? So now try keeping Meerut. Okay. So now what will be the output of this program? It will start with this condition. Address ends with India. Okay. Which is true. With Meerut, this is also true. So it will not go till false. It will not execute this block at all because if is already true, so it is going to print this statement. Let's execute and check the same. Okay, yes, it is Meerut. Fine. Clear till this part? Hello?
Some little bit confused, ma'am.
Confused. Where is the confusion actually?
So, ma'am, if we give index as 1 or 2, then it will take the first and second city name, right?
Yeah. Why don't we try it? Okay. If index
Yes.
is 2 means plus 1, plus 1th part. Okay. 2 means 2 plus 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. Chennai should be printed, right? When Meerut
Okay.
is not there, obviously. This is false. Chennai.
Okay.
Okay. But inside the system, it will take Delhi as 0, Hyderabad 1,
Yeah.
Chennai 2, Mumbai 3, West Bengal 4, and India as 5.
So, if we want to print all of the cities that is given as address, then we'll give just address, right?
We'll give address.
System out print as address.
Yeah. Where is it? India after you have to keep something.
Okay.
Separatory
Comma.
okay. Then that should exist. You're not living in India and it will print the whole string.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So with this program we are learning both nested if else and also few methods of the string. Okay. And with contains, right, and dot split. Yeah, please ask me, Avinash. You did not understand something. What was it?
String methods, ma'am.
Okay. Let me take another string, okay? String ABC is equal to India is my country. Dot, dot, again dot. Fine.
Okay.
Okay, so now tell me. Say for example, Boolean. ABC dot ends with string. స్ట్రింగ్ తీసుకోవాలండి స్ట్రింగ్ ఇప్పుడు ఏముంది కంట్రీ ఉంది కదా అక్కడ స్ట్రింగ్ అంటే we need to have two double quotes. Okay, string has to be enclosed in two double quotes. Let me take the string as this. Okay, so this will result either true or false. Is it? True.
ఎండింగ్ విత్ కంట్రీ ఉంది కాబట్టి ట్రూ వచ్చింది.
Right.
ఓకే.
Contains is there. Right.
ఆ,
Contains is also a condition again. Okay. And comma result 2 say. Okay. So result 2 is equal to ABC dot contains we can give whether it is okay, here is equal to that is also condition. Right?
Okay.
It is having is if I give you here something like R, okay, then false. R is not there in the statement.
ఓకే.
Yes, tell me again. What else? And again system dot out dot println is something like this. Control C, Control V. Here the string is ABC for us. And separator is dot. What is the separator in the string here?
Yes, dot.
Dot. Okay. Dot. You can give. So if you want my 0, 1, 2. Something went wrong somewhere. Let me take this. Maybe that is giving. Okay.
True.
Now this should give part of the string which is separated by dot actually. So, index out of form for line 0, 12 line is here. This is as a form. Let me come back and let's check in parentheses. some object my I'll get back on this tomorrow, okay? And one more thing, yesterday we have seen, right, 10 by 30. So for this reminder, I was seeing it 10 by 30. Is it 10 by 30 or
Modular, ma'am.
2 by 30, right?
2 by 30. 2 by 30.
2 modular of 30.
Correct. 2 by 30. So here what happened is we are dealing with integers, correct? 2 and 30 are
Yes.
integers. So that's why it cannot take decimals as quotient. Okay. So Avinash has also sent me the snap. So when 2 of 30, the quotient will be
30 of 2, ma'am.
0. Yeah. Thank you for correcting. Yeah, division is a 2 and this will be 0 and
Point.
30 zeros are
point
0.
will not come when we are dealing with integers, right?
Integer,
Integers.
yes. We have to use float or
So,
double.
So we didn't use in
Yes.
yesterday's assignment program, right? So 30 into 0 is 0, and so the remainder is
28.
2.
2.
2.
That's how the 2 came actually. But conventionally, in books, what we'll do is we'll
0.6666.
give it as 0.0, add point and 0, and here we'll add 2 zeros, and here it will be 180. That is the conventional method. Then the remainder will be 20. But as here there is no concept of decimals, we are dealing with integers, right? So the remainder will be 2. Okay, fine.
Okay, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Ma'am, previous one you were showing some index, right? If we want 2 or 3 cities name as a result, then can we just replace that 0 with 0, comma 1, comma 2 like that? Yeah, here.
Here, right?
Yes. Acha, we have to give all individually.
Obviously, right? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so inside the string, we have to use, the dot should be backward slashes should be there. Tomorrow I'll get back with that. That's why we got error with dot specifically. If it is comma again, it will not show the error. Where are we? Okay. So the issue was with dot, which has to be accompanied with backward slashes, 2 backward slashes. And run as Java application. We'll get my 0. 0 is India. Is 1. My is 2. Country is 3. The index will be like that 0, 1, 2, 3. We want this to be executed, right? So Meerut is not there. And we have to remove this also. It is inside India, right? Delhi, Hyderabad. Fine. Shahnawaz, right? Who asked this?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I
So
got it.
two states have come, but we have to implicitly like mention it in the string. Okay. And then nested if else. We can have a simple program also in the case of nested if else, like finding the values and all. Will you try that as an assignment?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
As strings is little like new concepts have to be taught. I have explained myself, but you can also do something like with numbers, with integers, you can try nested if else. Okay, coming back to let me share my screen. So nested if else is an if else statement wherein either if or else will be having if else statements inside, either if or else. Okay, now coming to another one, which statement. Okay, what is it? Which statement? Which is more preferable compared to our if else ladders or nested if else? Okay, they are little similar to our if else. That ladder is there, no? If else if statement like that. Okay, when we have that many kind of like more number of blocks of if else statements, then which is a better option to use. Okay, which will be properly divided like this. Okay, which an expression. Okay, case value 1 statement 1, and similarly case value 2 colon statement 2 like this. So this kind of switches can be generally how we can use in case of grading system. Okay, now for example, if the marks obtained is certain sum, then you can give grades as if uh, the total of all the marks obtained in an exam, I mean in an yeah in any examination is some say 560, then what is the grade? Is it A grade, A plus, B plus, or fail, like that? Okay, that is an real time example. And so here we have expression and we have value, right? So the condition of you using switch statements is no values of cases have to be equal. No duplicate values are allowed. Value 1 and value 2 not be equal. Okay. And at the end, there will be a default statement actually. Okay. So case 1, case 2, case 3 like that, it will be there. But at the end, you will have default colon and default statement. So this default statement is obtained when the expression is not returning a value which is not equal to any case value. Case values, value 1, value 2, and so on, value n, they are not matching with the result of this expression. And the case variables, these can be variables or values also. Okay. So they should be either int, short, byte, character, or enumeration. Enumeration we'll see later. Okay. So and you have to observe that here we are not using any condition. Condition means which will result a Boolean value. Boolean values are not supported here. Fine. So from version of 7, Java 7, string type is also supported as for the value 1. So the output of this expression should be either int, short, byte, char or enum. For example, my expression is giving me say 12, okay, and case value cannot be in single characters, like I cannot give case character A, case character dollar, like that I cannot give. They should match these values and the expression output should match. Okay. And there are break statements for every case. Once this value is matched with the result of the expression here from switch, then the statement will be executed and it will not continue to the next case, but it is going to break here. Fine. Okay, that is about switch statement. When we are doing the actual program, you will understand much better. I'm sharing my Excel. Okay, this is an I have written the program already because of time constraint. Okay, so this is the switch program wherein we have numbers. Number 2 is there. Okay. So here I have taken both numbers and characters. Fine. So if you take character, okay. So character m is equal to m and there is another variable n which is equal to character n. Okay. So switch m. This is how we write it in our program. So when I gave m, it means the variable. Okay. Similarly, you can also give directly here m. Fine, either character or variable is allowed in case of expression place. Okay, so if it is m, system.out.println number is 0.
0.
And if the character is n inside this variable ch, then it will print number is
1.
1. Default value, it is going to print some number.
Number.
Print number, or that is our wish, right? We can print some, I mean, this is variable, right? Say n. Okay, by default, it can print n. Let's execute and see. Okay, number is 0 because this character is having m. So it executed only the value, the statement of case and break. It will come out. So after break, it will not even go to default. Okay. Say for example, I am giving here some I. Okay. What will be the output? Any guesses?
It will print default last. Since there is no case of I. It
What
will,
is the output finally? What will be printed when C
B.
Number is 1.
B.
Number is equal to 1?
No.
Is I matching with M or N? No.
No. Then
No,
go
right?
to default.
Default. So what is there in default? To print the variable B, which is K.
K.
Okay. So this is a simple kind of switch.
So mandatory, we have to give default in this case.
Yeah, default is a must for any switch case, or else your programmer then. And this is the syntax. You can't leave this part.
Okay.
You can also have something like with respect to integers. We'll have another switch case. Integers. So we are considering only int n, int number is equal to 2. Okay. So now switch is based upon the number. Okay. Now we start case 0 colon
Okay.
system dot out dot println. Number is 0. And then break is must, right?
Yes.
And then case
Case
1.
1.
Really you can write like this. If the number is equal to 1, it has to execute the block 1. If it is equal to 2, it has to execute the block of case 2. And then default should
Default.
be must, right?
Yes.
Default column. We can directly print our number. Okay. So let's execute and see this. So number is 2, right?
2.
Okay. If I say 34, what will print? If I say number is equal to 34.
34. 34 will be printed.
Okay. 34 will be printed. Fine. Like this, you create a assignment is for nested if, and then I'll give program, and then for switch also, for gradings and all. Okay. So, till this part, any doubt?
No, ma'am. In today's class, there is one doubt is there. That one is string methodology. Except that one, everything is clear.
Is it Avinash? Who is this?
Avinash, ma'am.
Avinash. No, I have explained, no, taking another string, and here I have told, right?
But there is some little doubt is there. That's why.
What is the doubt?
That
Hmm.
address contains lint, all this.
Yeah. And ends with will result what? A string. Like this
Ends
is
with
called
means
method. We'll understand what are methods and all going ahead. But it is good to clear few of the methods in the beginning itself. Slowly you can, get to know many number of methods. But for now, you can think that string variable dot a method with string as input, argument. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Give you the this will give us a Boolean value, true or false. Is it ending with country or not? Okay, and this is checking whether the string ABC is containing the string IS or not. And here this is going to give the output of a single, substring. We'll say a string will have many substrings, but will have a separator, either comma or space or whatever. Okay, so based upon the separator, how many we can divide the string into that many substrings. Okay, so we use dot split. So today's class is going to end. I'll send the assignment in the group. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Someone is asking something.